Hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to unbox HIKVISION DS-2DE5432IW-AE. A 5-inch 4MP32x powered by DarkFighter IR network speed dome. The speed dome adopts 1/2.8 progressive scan CMOS chip. With a 32x optical zoom lens, the camera offers more details over expansive areas. This series of cameras can be widely used for wide ranges of high definition, such as the rivers, roads, railways, airports, squares, parks, scenic spots, and venues. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll get updated every time we post a video.